They're here now sa Dennis. They are 24/7. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nagsasara. Siyempre, kasing-kasing. And we found out na meron silang pancake hour na buy one take one. Kaso that's from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And beside doon, tara samahan ko kayo. Yan, nakita namin. So they have this free one classic pancake when you follow them on their socials, Dennis Philippines, for TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So guess what? Pinalo natin sila and ito ang nakuha natin. Shoutout pala kay wife. Yan. So meron tayong free pancake. Oh, may stamp pa ni Dennis, oh. Wow! So dahil palang freebie kahit gabi na. So pay them a visit and then meron silang Tryo, all-day Tryo na parang sa Bisto Group, which is nakita namin, found out na from Bisto Group din pala si Dennis. Hindi ako nakapag-time check. Now it's 11 p.m. So ito na yung order natin na Tryo. So mine is here. This is egg and pork belly na meron kaming starter. So kay wife, ito Parmigiano and then clam chow juicy. Then yun nga, yung free natin na pancake. Ooh, sarap! So again guys, follow them. Ito nasa left side ko. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Sugod na.